Introducing Stavros Auto Services. We are your AAA approved collision and auto repair center in Albany, Oregon. Our full-service shop offers everything from oil changes to complete overhauls. We can help with windshields, tires, wheels, paintless repairs, and more. For additional information, visit stavrosautoservices.com or call 541-926-7248.